Located in the Guadarrama River basin in the municipal area of Móstoles, La Reguera wastewater treatment plant was designed to treat a flow of 80,352 cubic meters per day from the populations of Móstoles, Fuenlabrada and Alcorcón. The facility also has a tertiary treatment capacity able to produce a daily volume of 2,000 cubic meters of reclaimed water for use in the irrigation of parks and public gardens in the region of Madrid. One of La Reguera's treatment plant's special features is an energy recovery system, which uses the biogas produced during the treatment of the sludge generated in the purification process. The facility comprises headworks and preliminary treatment, primary clarification, biological treatment, chemical phosphorus removal, secondary clarification, tertiary treatment, sludge processing, gas line, and energy recovery. The raw water arrives at the plant by means of an intake collector of 1,800 millimeters in diameter. The headworks are equipped with an emergency overflow which discharges excess flow if the plant's maximum hydraulic capacity is surpassed. The influent is propelled upward for the treatment to a height of over 8 meters by means of 6 pumps of 2,000 cubic meters per hour and 3 of 500 cubic meters per hour. It then flows down to the next processes due to the force of gravity. The aim of preliminary treatment, which includes screening, desanding, and elimination of floating material, is to separate any larger solids that might affect the subsequent treatment processes and extract them for controlled landfill disposal. Primary clarification takes place in 3 circular clarifiers with a unit volume of 3,960 cubic meters, which have extraction points for floating material. The sludge, which settles at this stage, is pumped from the bottom of the clarifier, and the clarified water flows over a perimeter spillway where it collects in a channel leading to the distribution tank before biological treatment. This process uses 3 reactors and is designed for both the elimination of carbonaceous material and the biological removal of phosphorus and nitrogen. The biological reactors have anaerobic, anoxic, facultative, and aerobic areas, which provide optimal oxygen conditions for the growth of microorganisms that feed on the pollution that has not been removed during previous treatment processes. The phosphorus content of the treated water needs to be adjusted so that it meets the requirements for the protection of public waterways. La Reguera treatment plant has a storage installation where the water is dosed with chemical reagents to help reduce the phosphorus by means of co-precipitation. The mixture of water and microorganisms then undergoes secondary clarification. This takes place in 3 circular tanks of 49 meters in diameter and 4 meters in height. Each clarifier has 2 extraction points for floating material, while the sludge that settles on the bottom is collected using vacuum suction and drawn off for sludge processing. The clarified water in the secondary clarifier is already at the required quality for channeling into the river, or part of it can be drawn off for conventional tertiary treatment. In this process, the water undergoes coagulation, flocculation, and additional filtering to provide reclaimed water of suitable quality for use in the irrigation of parks and public gardens in the region of Madrid. The various processes which wastewater undergoes all generate sludge, which is treated in a conventional manner by draining, thickening, stabilization, and dewatering and storage for subsequent removal and use in agriculture. These sludge treatment stages also include an anaerobic digestion process where the sludge is kept under oxygen-free conditions at the temperature necessary for the production of biogas, whose main compound is methane gas. This biogas, stored in 2 gas holders, is the fuel which forms the basis of the energy recovery system and is used for the heating of sludge. Canal de Isabel II continues innovating and applying the latest technological advances in order to continue responding to the needs of the citizens and companies within the autonomous region of Madrid.